Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's see what is in cards for you today. I'm just taking the first card, the Seven of Earth. That's an amazing card. It looks like as if the person is waiting with patience, allowing it to grow, allowing it to maybe whatever investment you've put today, it is showing that you might be wondering why it is not making a profit, why it is not growing. But the cards are saying have patience. And if, for example, you have applied for a job and you're still wondering why the job, why it's not come in your favor, then the card is actually saying have patience and wait for some more time, and you will get the rewards for whatever challenges you're going on right now. Don't jump above the fence and take a wrong decision. That is what I feel the card is actually saying. Just keep your focus on, be determined, and uh, sh- sure, you will get what you're desiring. So maybe today is not the day. If you're expecting some results, and today is not the day for you to get your desired results. Now let's see what's the other card coming again. See, you need to wait with patience. So today is a day where you have to just keep waiting and watching as to what is happening, and not react, not worry, not panic, not break your head over things. Be it even in home. If you feel suddenly at home your partner is not understanding you, maybe today is not the day. If you have fought with your loved one, maybe today is not the right time, or today is not the need to break your head with it. So it's just that, just go with the flow and just allow the day to pass. So let's see what the Bhagavad Gita card has, offerings of devotion. Now that's another beautiful card. So maybe today just surrender yourself to the God and just go with the flow, just wait and allow the things to fall in place. Today, because Sakshat Shiv Bhagwan has come, chant Om Namah Shivaya in the morning 108 times. Have a bath with rock salt water. Wear something in blue, light blue preferably today, because you need to be calm, you need to be serene, and if possible, because it says offerings, so if possible in the morning, keep some prasad in front of Lord Shiva and tell him, Tera tuji ko arpan. So I'm just giving you whatever you have given to me, and or it is said it belongs to him. In the whole universe belongs to him, so we are just giving him whatever belongs to him. Keep it near him and tell him to take you in a beautiful journey today, and to be with you and to help you overcome whatever obstacles are coming your way today. I shall pray that you all have a beautiful day ahead, and may Lord Shiva bless you all with all the abundance and happiness. Have a great day. Thank you.